PiktoChart offers a range of opportunities for individuals to earn money online through its intuitive and user-friendly infographic creation platform. Here are 17 ways to make money using PiktoChart in 2024. 1. Become a PiktoChart affiliate. Join the PiktoChart affiliate program and earn a commission for every new user you refer to the platform. 2. Create and sell infographic templates. Use your design skills to create high-quality infographic templates and sell them on marketplaces like Envato Elements, CreativeMarket, and GraphicRiver. 3. Offer infographic design services. Use your PiktoChart expertise to offer infographic design services to businesses, organizations, and individuals. 4. Create infographics for blogs and websites. Use your design skills to create infographics for blogs and websites and offer your services to clients through platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. 5. Become a PiktoChart certified expert. Complete the PiktoChart certification program and earn the title of PiktoChart certified expert, which can help you stand out in the market and charge higher fees for your services. 6. Create and sell infographic courses. Use your expertise to create and sell infographic courses on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable. 7. Offer infographic consulting services. Use your knowledge of infographics to offer consulting services to businesses and organizations, helping them to create effective infographics that communicate their messages clearly and effectively. 8. Create and sell infographic webinars. Use your design skills to create and sell infographic webinars on platforms like Webinar Jam and Zoom. 9. Become a PiktoChart certified trainer. Complete the PiktoChart certified trainer program and earn the title of PiktoChart certified trainer, which can help you to deliver effective infographic training sessions to clients. 10. Create and sell infographic books. Use your design skills to create and sell infographic books on platforms like Amazon Kindle and Blurb. 11. Offer infographic coaching services. Use your expertise to offer coaching services to individuals and businesses, helping them to improve their infographic design skills and create more effective infographics. 12. Create and sell infographic templates for specific industries. Use your knowledge of specific industries to create and sell infographic templates that are tailored to the needs of those industries. 13. Become a PiktoChart certified designer. Complete the PiktoChart certified designer program and earn the title of PiktoChart certified designer, which can help you to stand out in the market and charge higher fees for your services. 14. Create and sell infographic tutorials. Use your design skills to create and sell infographic tutorials on platforms like YouTube and Udemy. 15. Offer infographic consulting services for nonprofits. Use your expertise to offer consulting services to nonprofit organizations, helping them to create effective infographics that communicate their messages clearly and effectively. 16. Create and sell infographic ebooks. Use your design skills to create and sell infographic ebooks on platforms like Gumroad and Etsy. 17. Become a PiktoChart educator. Complete the PiktoChart Certified Educator program and earn the title of PiktoChart Certified Educator, which can help you to deliver effective infographic training sessions to students and teachers.